Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to take a brief look at the equations for horizontal lines and vertical lines. Okay. So horizontal lines. How do we know a line is horizontal? Well, if you remember, we know that a line is horizontal if it has slope of 0, right? So the slope for a horizontal line we have slope 0. So then, if you think about your equation, we have y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, right? So what happens? M is 0, so I get y minus y1 equals 0 times x minus x1. Well, if I'm multiplying something by 0, I'm going to get 0, so I get y minus y1 equals 0. Okay, and if I add y1 on both sides, I get y equals y1, and that happens to be the equation of a horizontal line. So we write it, however, we use a different symbol. So we write the equation of a horizontal line. Okay. We use a different symbol, however, than y1. So we write the equation of a horizontal line as y equals b. Okay, that is the equation of a horizontal line, right? Another way we can make sense of this equation is imagine a horizontal line, right? So imagine this is my, say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So imagine I have a line that passes through the point 2 here, and it's a horizontal line. Okay, let's look at all the points on this line. What do we notice at all of these points? Right? We notice that no matter what point you take, its y coordinate is always 2. And so the equation of this line is going to be y equal 2. You can think about it as y is always 2 or y equals 2. And that is the equation of this horizontal line. Well, now let's think about vertical lines. How do we know a line is vertical? Well, we know a line is vertical if its slope is undefined, right? And we looked at that. Why the slope is undefined is because my denominator becomes 0. So if my slope is undefined, obviously I cannot write it into the form y equals mx plus b or y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. I cannot write it in that form because this number is undefined, right? We don't know what it is. So how can I figure out what is the equation of a vertical line? So we sort of do what we did for horizontal lines here. So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and draw a vertical line, right? So let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to draw my vertical line over here through the point 3, right? Now let's look at points on this line. So this is going to be 3, 4. This is going to be 3, 3. This is going to be 3, 2. This is going to be 3, 1, right? So look at any of the points on this line. What do we notice? Well, we notice that all the x coordinates are 3, right? And so we can think about this as, well, no matter what point I pick on this line, x is always equal to 3. Right? So in this case, for this line, my vertical line is going to be x equals 3.